going to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So about a week ago, like last week, I posted a video of installing clip-ins on my really short hair. So that video got a lot of attention on Instagram and on Facebook or whatever. And I thought it was really, helpful, for girls with short hair who don't necessarily know what to do with their hair. And it got a little bit of negative vibes or whatever. A lot of people just feel like, somebody could just pull them out, or the a gust of wind would just, make them fall out of my head. And I can understand why they would think that, but no, they're wrong. So I'm just here today to vlog throughout my day. I just have a couple things to do, a couple errands to run, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna be wearing them all day, and I'm just gonna update you guys throughout the day and show you guys, me walking outside where the wind blows to show you that it won't just blow out. And all of that. I know some of you guys might think I'm lying, might think that I'm fixing the clips off camera if they fall out, but if they fall out, I will tell you guys, okay? I doubt they will. If anything, one clip may come out back here where it's the shortest, but like I said, I'll let you guys know, because clearly a lot of y'all are confused and y'all missed the point of the whole video. So I'm about to put those in my hair. So if you haven't seen the video of me installing them, I'll include that up here. And yeah, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is my hair once I put all of the clip-ins in. I told you guys in the last video of me installing it that I don't normally trim it, but I trimmed it this time just because it gives it a nice round shape or whatever. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. I'm about to go take some selfies or whatever. And then I'm gonna take my dog out, so I'll be back. Alright, so I'm taking my dog out now. So yeah, I'm outside now. Ooh, look at that sun though. Okay. So, you guys see how I'm fluffing it up? I'll even pull it for you. Okay. I'm not gonna yank it because I'm not about to try and hurt myself just to prove a point. But y'all get the point. It's a little breeze out here. The clip's still on my head. Let me show y'all that I really haven't clip-ins, because some of y'all might think I'm lying. Be like, oh, she probably got on a wig this time. I don't know why y'all swear everybody lying to y'all. I don't know if you can see, but they're clip-ins. Don't play with me. So, yeah, I'm out here. A normal day in the life of Janai. That's how you pronounce my name. I know I say it at the beginning of every video. Some people still call me Janai, Janaya, Janaya. My name is Janai. I just had to put that out there. So I have some errands to run. I'm gonna go to ShopRite later and get an aloe vera plant thingy. I just heard a lot of good things about it, for your skin and for your hair. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get back to y'all on that. What else do I have to do? I just have little stuff. Classes started at my school today. I don't have classes on Tuesdays and Fridays. So I start class tomorrow and I only have one class. So yeah, not really looking forward to the start of this semester, but whatever. I'm sure y'all don't want to hear me rambling. I know y'all watching this video to see if my clip-ins fall out. But, yeah, so I'll get back to y'all.
Lord forgive me for my sins, used to pray to get a brick. Nigga, I see like it's hockey and I'm playing with the sticks. He don't like me, but he got respect.
Alright, y'all, so I am going out now in public with these clip-ins, okay? So, yeah, I'll even ride with the windows down, because they're not gonna fall out. There, the windows down. I don't know if you have to tell. There. So yeah, like I told you guys, I have to go to ShopRite and one or two more places. I want some brown lip gloss. That's mad random, but I feel like that looks so nice on darker skin girls, and I don't know how that's gonna really look on me. So I might just stick to clear lip gloss. Alright, so y'all probably could hear the wind blowing, and as y'all see, the clip-ins aren't moving. Oh, I meant to tell you guys, I don't know if you can hear me, so I'm gonna roll up the window. I meant to tell you guys that in addition to them already being very secure clip-ins, this kinky texture helps almost mat all the hair together, which also helps to keep the clips in place all day. So if these were a looser or straight texture clip-ins, they would be more likely to fall out maybe, but because it is texture, it's just helping all of the hair, you know, just like stay together or whatever. Yeah, that was one thing. There was another thing I meant to tell you guys. Oh, I didn't use all the clips, okay? I have 2 packs of clip-ins, and 2 packs is actually a lot, so I usually have about like 3 clips left over when I'm done. So this isn't all of them in the install video. I put in all of them just to show you what the whole 2 packs looks like, but this is almost all of them. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm at shop right now. I just came here to get an aloe vera plant. Oh wait, I already told you guys, yeah. So yeah, I'm here. It's about 1:30, so I've had these in for about 2 hours now. Not one clip has moved or fallen or any of that. Everything is still intact. So, yeah, that's really it. It's actually kind of nice out, being that it's been like 10 degrees every day. Well, not nice. It's better out here, okay? It's better. So I got 2 aloe vera leaves. As you guys can see, they're, what was I about to say? Oh yeah, if you want to get them, they're $1.49 each at ShopRite. So I got 2. Yeah, kind of excited. I heard a lot of good things about it, so we'll see. I don't really have anything else to do. And I don't feel like just wasting gas just driving around, so I'm probably just about to go home. I actually have stuff to do. I have clothes to wash and other stuff. I literally, okay, see, so one of the reasons I don't vlog is because I hate when people watch me record myself. So like, this is a bit different for me. I don't like really vlogging, but like I'll vlog more like if I go on vacation. Like I plan to do something for my birthday, but that's in a while. That's in July, so no time soon. And my life is pretty irregular, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really have much to vlog, so that's why I don't vlog. Like I said, I just told you guys. Oh, first of all, let me explain the purpose of why I made the clip-ins video, because like I told you guys, a lot of people were confused. The purpose of the video was to show you that if you have short hair, you can wear clip-ins, okay? Everybody's like, oh, like why don't you just get a wig? It's easier to wear a wig. I know that. However, you don't have to just do this style. For example, when I showed a lot of people that they could use clip-ins on hair this short, they were talking about doing like tapered cuts and stuff. You can't do a tapered cut with a wig, okay? Like a fro hawk type of thing, okay? So the purpose was just to show you guys, you know, the versatility that you can still have even if you have short hair, okay? Because I do have a wig just like this, and it would be a lot easier to just wear the wig, obviously, but you can do so much more than just wear it in an afro like I am. So that was the purpose, okay? Like, I'm not an idiot, you guys. Like, I don't get it. But yeah,
I was drinking the suckers and I put the 30 in. And
the window is down again.
That's why I'm watching your snaps. I'm stuck on your Instagram. I don't even follow you. I can't, too busy calling you back. Sometimes I don't understand. I feel like I'm stuck.
I'm gonna explain something. Let me explain something to you. Cause like, I don't know, like all of them comments low-key was really getting me tight. First of all, whether your hair is 12 inches down your back or 3 inches to your ear, when you put in clip-ins, you put the clip-ins at the roots anyway, at the scalp, okay? So whether your hair is long or short doesn't make much of a difference, which is why I can do all of this, is because even if my hair was, you know, 30 times as long, it's still at the root of my hair, okay? Like, y'all aren't understanding that as long as your hair, your fingers can grab your hair, the clips can grab your hair, okay? People are asking me if it hurts more because my hair is so short. Like, no, it doesn't. People are asking me if I'm clipping it to my scalp. How? Like, honestly, I don't know if y'all were trying to be funny, but somebody asked me if they're magnetic.
Really, nigga?
Like, I'm done with y'all. But yeah, guys, they stay on all day, but I'm gonna still keep on updating y'all throughout the day because it's only 1:40. I feel like I'm stalking you. You know, I actually wouldn't mind wearing these over a wig because sometimes wigs make me, like, they make my head itch. I don't know, but whatever. Like, I could do a backflip and none of these will come out. You know what? When I get home, I'm gonna do a backflip for you guys and show you guys that these aren't even gonna come out. And you know what? Hopefully that'll be enough proof that these are secure. Like, what more do y'all want from me? Like, y'all really don't believe me. Whatever. I don't care. It's like I care. But I'm just rambling at this point. If you're still watching, you loyal. What else? I'm about to be at 12K subbies. Thanks you guys so much. I love you guys. I never thought I would come this far. It's lit. I know a lot of people have like names for their subscribers, like different things. Like, I'm trying to think of an example. Like, for example, DK for Life calls their subscribers DK Gang. Some people call their subscribers their besties. I don't really have a name for y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all want one. I just be like, hey guys. I don't know if y'all want one, if y'all really care. Maybe when I get a little bigger, I'll think of something. But like, I don't know. Like, what the heck am I supposed to call you guys? Like, maybe like yeah, I don't know. I'll get back to y'all on that. If y'all got some suggestions. If y'all got some suggestions, comment. But I can't really see myself saying anything like that. Like, I don't know. I don't know. My skin is glowing, you guys, okay? Like, I don't know what is going on, but my skin has been flourishing lately. I remember when I was younger, I used to be so insecure about my skin because, like, I always had forehead pimples, and I would always look at people around me. I'm like, how is their skin so clear? Like, I don't get it. But like, if you're a younger female and you're watching this, like maybe if you're in high school or you're in middle school, I just want you guys to know, like, don't let like your insecurities get the best of you. Don't be jealous of other people, because once you graduate high school and move on in your life, one, it's not even gonna matter, okay? Look at where, let me tell y'all about some of the people that was popular in high school. But one, it's not gonna matter. Two, you're gonna glow up. And three, first of all, just, you know what, I'll make a separate video about this. Just don't let your insecurities get the best of you. I'm just rambling at this point. I'm almost home. I'm still about to do that backflip for y'all. I'm dead serious, because like, I promise you they're not gonna come out. Like, I'm gonna do some jumping jacks. I'm gonna freaking do a whole Zumba dance for y'all. No, I'm guessing it. I'm just gonna do a backflip, maybe some jumping jacks, but I'm not gonna do a dance for y'all. But yeah,
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Turn the motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not 'cause she ain't living. It's just how I get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, but you rent it. Waving low to the top. Nigga, the bay wrong guy. Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got the window down, top blown live. Got the hazard on when you're doing fire.
okay guys, so I'm just giving you guys an update. It is 4 o'clock, so I've had them in since like 11:30ish or whatever, so Yeah, as y'all could tell from the video, these clip-ins ain't going nowhere. So if you don't believe me at this point, I really don't know what to tell you. So yeah, none of them have even moved even after that video. I promise you guys, these are so secure. Literally, they're not going anywhere. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's like 7 o'clock now, so I've had them in like almost all day now. I'm here with my mom, but she don't want to be seen, even though she's so beautiful. She doesn't want to be seen. So yeah, none of them still have moved. Not one clip has fallen out. Even though like y'all probably got the point by the video, but whatever. I'm still updating y'all.
HerGivenHair is lit.
Yeah, HerGivenHair is lit. So yeah, it's still intact. Okay, we about to pick up my sister, and then we gotta go to Wawa, and then we're going back home, and then I'll be home for the rest of the day until I have to go back to school. Yeah, so they're gonna miss me.
Yes, we're gonna miss her.
Yeah, they're gonna miss me. So yeah, it's still intact. Okay guys, so the day is over, and like I said, they stayed all day. It kind of looks a mess right now because like I've been playing with it, like pulling it and stuff, but you get the point. They stayed all day. I literally had no problems. I promise you guys, I did not adjust them all day. I promise. The most that happened was, I'll see if I can show you guys. I don't know if y'all can see, but the most that happened is this clip got a little loose. But that's literally it. It's still in place. You know what I'm saying? And that's an easy fix. But oh my god, you could tell I was playing with this one strand. Here's what the top looks like. I know a lot of people were asking how it looks. You can't see any of the clips. I can show you guys me taking them out, just to show you guys that I also can't just pull them out and then they're out. Like, I literally have to take them out like a normal person. I feel like that just took a load off my shoulders. Honestly, if you have the hair that long, I don't know how you do it. I really don't. I need this bald head. But anyway, I hope that you guys took something from this video. Like I said, a gust of wind isn't just gonna blow them out my hair. So hopefully you guys got the point. Oh my god, my head feels so relieved. This is literally like the feeling when you take off your bra at the end of the day. No, I don't sleep with them. You shouldn't sleep with clip-ins in because it can pull your hair out and blah, blah, blah. So, yes. So, I hope that this video was enjoying or whatever, or funny, whatever you want to call it. I ain't a comedian or nothing. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and, you know, share this video, comment, like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.